the benefits of watermelon and ginger juice as a natural Viagra, and more. 1. Watermelon contains a delicious bright red flesh which is often eaten in the summer as it is refreshing. Ginger root is often used as a spice and has some wonderful health benefits. 2. When these ingredients are mixed together to create a special juice, they can be used to treat erectile dysfunction in men and a cleansing for the body in women. 3. Erectile dysfunction is a common condition for men, especially as they get older. It can also be caused by surgery, high blood pressure, and medication. 4. Watermelon contains an amino acid called L-citrulline. This is very healthy for the human body as it causes the blood vessels to dilate. This lowers blood pressure, increases blood flow, and helps men to get erections. This is also very beneficial for women as poor blood flow promotes ill health. The watermelon juice can help to protect the vital organs, preventing dizziness and fainting as we age. 5. Ginger is also a powerful natural stimulant, which also aids blood flow and warms the body. The aroma and flavour of this spice also acts as an aphrodizijak in order to become switched on in the bedroom. This has been referenced in the Kama Sutra. 6. Drinking these two wonderfully healthy foods together in the form of a juice will not only help your sex life, but also trigger some wonderful health benefits in your body. Let's take a look at the recipe. You will need 1 watermelon, 1 inch of ginger root, and some ice cubes. Method: wash the watermelon's outer skin and then slice the fruit into cubes. Do not remove the watermelon skin. This contains many nutrients and chlorophyll, which is important. Take around 3 cups of watermelon and place in a blender, along with 1 inch of sliced ginger root. Feel free to add a few ice cubes to cool this if you wish to drink it straight away. Process the mixture until smooth and then use a sieve to remove the fibers and drink. This serves around 2 to 3 glasses. You can drink this every single day as often as you wish. It is absolutely delicious and can be used as a healthy breakfast. 7. This drink helps to hydrate the body whilst adding lots of vitamins and minerals to your daily regimen. 8. The antioxidants will also increase your libido. A little exercise can also help to stimulate the blood flow. 9. If you prefer, you can purchase L-citrulline and ginger in capsule form. These are easier to take, except you won't get to enjoy the delicious flavour of the drink. 10. Don't worry about the watermelon seeds. They are perfectly edible and contain some health-boosting vitamins including A and C, which can help your body in numerous ways. 11. You can store this drink in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, but the fresher the better with these natural juices. 12. To learn more about the many health benefits of watermelon and ginger, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.